Alrighty, boys and girls, back at it again. Another weekend in the shop. The boys did some work during the week. We got the Brush Hog all painted up and looking sexy. I got the well, would you look at the quality there? I mean, this thing was ready for the scrapyard. Look what we got now. You know, it's all patched up, and that gives you a better idea how dented the thing was. It's all patched up, new skids on the bottom. We got a new 3-point mount, and this is all, you can tell this is all old scrap steel. So there you go. You know, take some junk, make it happen. Jake did a fantastic job on the chain mount there. Yeah. So I got new bolts, which are right here, courtesy of the Princess Auto. Sorry about the background noise. We got some stuff going on there. So I got these. They had these. These are for the TE820, so that's not part of that. So we'll put these on. We'll adjust the chain. We got to go underneath, and we got to pull off the blades. Get them on the right way. Drive shaft's painted, so we'll service the drive shaft, and then we'll get right back to you. So there you go. Stand by. Alrighty, boys and girls, back on her again. A couple of things we do. We got the drive shaft there ready to go. Got the chain properly cut. We sharpened the blades. Get a view of that. Oh! Well, there's the blades under there. You can see they're all sharpened up. Installed properly. Getting old, hurting the knees. Got the wheel assembly ready to go in, and we're going to attach this onto the tractor and see how it goes. So we'll give it a little test run too. Stand by. We'll do a bad Chad paint job on this wheel. So let me just give her the spin, man. What color is that coming out?
Oh, I don't know. It's black.
It ain't silver.
For one. Black. Lovely.
Look at that. Oof, that smells awesome. So the wheel bearings they put in this were actually lawn tractor roller bearings. So I couldn't find the bushings online. So I thought, why not just use roller bearings? So 20 bucks for like a pack of 10. I don't know. I'll put some in my lawnmower, I guess, the rider. See how that goes. So that's the, Sean likes to start with a tack coat.
Something to grab onto.
So that you don't put your full finish on right away. Obviously that wheel is incredibly balanced. Watch it go. Look at that, eh? It was tuned. Yep, she's out of balance. Should we send her down and get her balance? I don't want any vibrations when you're cutting the grass. So I'm putting this clutch on. I don't have the right bolts. It's 7/16 bolts that goes through that hole. So we're just gonna throw 3/8 bolts through there just to get this thing done and finished. Well, you can't be spraying without content. Holy Moses! Would you look at that? She's starting to shine. One more coat after this?
Oh, 2 more at least.
Yeah. This poor machine. She hasn't had nothing done to her in ages. She hasn't done nothing done. But it's looking good. So, got the new pins on. We got the 35 out here waiting to hook up to it. And we'll put that on there. And then we'll take this outside and, I guess, store it for a while. And I gotta find the grease. I gotta wait till Jake comes out. I gotta put some grease in that gearbox. Yeah, it's two. There was 2 tubes. Is it in here? Do you think so? Yeah, I don't see anything in here. He'd know where they are. Okay, so anyway, you guys know where we're at. So let me get back to it when we get this all assembled. They ain't going that high.
Huh?
Them arms are not going that high.
Oh, we'll drop it down the jacks then.
Guess we will. So we can get that thing. Oh, look at this thing. Hold on. Hold on. Alrighty. Let's get at her. Well, there you go, boys and girls. She's up and running. The dry shaft's seen better days. Kind of runs in a wobble. I think the yokes are bent. But that's the noise she makes. I'm going to put some more grease. There's a semi-fluid grease that goes into here. But we got the safety clutch on it now. We'll fashion a guard to go over top of that because that'll ruin your day. The landing wheel's on it. Let's just try and set her down really easy. Go ahead, leave it running. Let her out. That's the blades whipping around, eh? There it is in operating mode, right there. So that's her in operating mode. She'll lay on the ground like that. Maybe take one more link out of that chain. I don't know. Call that a success. What's the RPM? Is it on PTO? No. Right there. What is that? 1450. 1500. At 12, 13, 14, 1500 is a PTO for 540. So that's the speed that she should be running. I like it. Except for the bent dry shaft. It don't seem to be hurting it. Not bad, eh? For a resurrected pile of junk. Not too bad. Alright, there you go. We'll probably close the video now. We got some work to do in this old girl. We got some snow blowers to do. Got a car to do, so we're busy. I'm going to get some yellow danger tape for it, make it look kind of sexy. Like I said, we'll build a guard. I think that's good. I like it. So thanks for joining us on this resurrection of the, it's actually a Grover, by the way. Grover Manufacturing made this. I found an identical one for sale in Marketplace in Ontario. So that's how I know it's a Grove. Grove, yes, Grove. And that's what the model, I don't know what the model is. The stickers aren't that good. I'll see if I can leave that in the description. So like and subscribe. Ring the bell, check back often for more resurrected junk. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.